Good morning. It's Tuesday morning. John Kielec here for DailyNetPay Private Trade Shares Live and Real Trading for Tuesday, November 20th, year 2018. All right, so before I begin my markets, and it's very early in the morning. It's like 5:30 in the morning. I didn't have my cup of coffee yet. But anyways, I'm just going to go and see how the markets are doing today. How I begin my day with see what's happening with the markets. Okay, I'm gonna log into my crypto trader. Wrong captcha. I went too fast. Okay, now let's log in. Let's see. Okay, the markets are in critical condition today as well. Market is in strong downtrend. Do not trade. Wow, I don't know, since Friday and yesterday and today, the markets are still critical. There's a lot of things happening. There was Bitcoin apparently was down yesterday. Then there's no trading available for some time, so I don't know exactly what's happening. But anyways, let's take a look. What do we have looking at our charts? Okay, GP, NSD. Okay, so okay, see those marks that was from yesterday that we got stop loss profit. Okay, trading our stop. There was a small profit in here. But overall, what is this market? It's trending down, and this is arrow. This is the London daybreak. Usually go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go 5 past, and whatever majority it shows, like okay, 3, 4 dominating red is for prices to go down, so we go opposite. And this one. Okay, it's right over here. You know what? It's been up and down a bit. I would want to see this market come back down a bit, but it might shoot up. It broke higher than above the other one. There is small possibility of profit. So when I see one, I do take one, okay, but we're gonna trade 10,000 account, where one pip was around 90 cents or $1. All right, so we're gonna submit order for that execution. There it is, okay, and the broker's already taking his commission. All right, so we have that, and we are going to set the stop loss right away. Okay, the stop loss, we're going to be about, I will say 25 pips, which is around $25, because, this is, we're trading micro lot, where 100,000 is a standard lot, micro lot is 10,000, which is $1 per pip. Okay, so we went for prices up, and I'm going to place the stop loss over here below that. Okay, so that one is this. All right, let's go to the next one. These are all British pounds practically, what I usually search. Okay, this is the market from yesterday, British pound, Japanese yen. This is a downtrend market. It's been stuck in a channel, but it broke down here and it's going back up. It's getting to be trending. I use Bollinger Bands and RSI, and it looks like it's getting into oversold conditions on the bottom. Okay, let's go see 3 o'clock and 5 buck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 3 reds. That means prices are going to go up. Okay, since it's critical market today, I'm going to go, okay, what is it, 3 o'clock, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, so we're going to go as well for this one, for prices to go up. And we're going to buy a micro lot again. This is $10,000, and we're going to risk 25, and we're going to buy it at the market. There we go. All right, and we're going to place the stop loss below here. So that's the second small trade. Like I say, when it's critical conditions, I'm not going to go into the 100,000 standard lot because we can lose a lot more. Okay, Euro GB. What's happening in here? Okay, we can see this is up and down, and this is uptrend. Now the market has came down a bit. Oversold conditions. Okay, oversold conditions, and it's going down. Okay, I am gonna leave this one out. Let's go to the US Swiss franc, and this is where we hit the stop loss yesterday because we went for prices up, and this was the channel. Should have been watching this closer, put an alert, and we could have went down. That would have been a nice profit. Okay, went boom like this, then it went down. But anyways, it's a downtrend market. And let's see what's happening today. This is the 3 o'clock. We go 5 back, 3 red, 4 red for prices up. Hey, we're looking at a retracement over here. So, okay, that would be retracement somewhere over here. 50%. 50%. It's going up. Okay, we're gonna buy it. We're gonna buy small contracts today of 10,000. Okay, and we're gonna risk 25. Let's go for it. Okay. All right. So, yeah, we want our target to be, where's that trend line, and okay, this is gonna be our target. This is like a, okay, that would be a 50% retracement over here. Okay, all right, now I'm gonna move this a little bit below here. Okay, so we have this one, and let's go to the next one, the USD Japanese yen. What does it look in there? It's a up and down. It's kind of in a downtrend, and once in here we had a channel. A London break the other day was pointing down, and the market went up and eventually went down. So it looks like the trend is continuing down. What's happening? This is USD. Okay, so the prices for now. I'm gonna leave this one out for now. And let's go to New Zealand. This is when we took the profit yesterday. Okay, you can see we were stopped out over here. The market, eventually, if we would have held it, we would have been ahead a bit more of a profit, probably double that anyways from here. But it did not happen. We got stopped out with a profit, so we cannot complain. And this thing is uptrend. Oh yeah, I got a buy limit order that I placed last night. I thought that just in case the market goes down here, we're gonna hit and to go up. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move that buy limit to go below this one. Okay, so if it hits, it hits. If we go, this is the 100,000 one. This is the big one. So I'm gonna let the market come to me, but I'll close watch that. Okay, so those are the 6 markets for today, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go have my coffee, stop the recording, and come back, see how they do. And all I can see, this one is in profit already, this one's in the profit, this one's in the profit. We have 3 in profits already. Whoa, good start. Come back later, I'll let you know what's happening. Okay, we're back. I am back actually, and I see another market developing, euro versus British pound, and it's going up. So we are going to buy 10,000 dollars worth of that. This is micro lot. We're all trading micro lots today, and 25 pips stop loss. Okay, so there we go. And the stop loss is right below over here where it should be. So we have this one. Edit. So we got 3 trades. Okay, we have 3 trades. This one was in profit. Now it's going. This one is in low profit. This one we just got entered, and this one. But okay, let's take a look what's happening over here. Okay, the market, we got in, went up and came down, but the market is trend up. So we're just gonna ride the market. Okay, so that is it for now. I thought I'd just add this, and I'm gonna pause the recording and come back later. Okay, I'm just logged into the binary cent, and you can see our account 237.69. I actually withdrew $1,000 yesterday, and we're going to be trading with just a micro in here, and more likely I'm going to withdraw if any profits from here, because I'm going to be saying goodbye to binary cent. We're going to try a bit another option broker. The reason I'm doing this, but anyways, I want to buy this market, so let's go and buy this market. Okay, this is Forex we're trading, and I'm going to show you the NSD USD. It's going up. Okay, the trend is up. Alright, it's running away on us, but anyways, it's a strong trend up, so I would like to come down, but I am going to buy it anyways. So we're going to buy, okay, we're going to buy it that. Okay, so we did purchase this. I'm just going to place my stop loss. Okay, stop loss. Okay, alright. And we're gonna go stop loss below this one. Update. Okay. Let's see, now it's gonna go up. It's a strong trend up. So anyways, this is 10,000 watts, so it's 1 pip equals $1, and you can see we're minus 220 because the broker fee. The reason I pulled out some money, see the $100 just got deducted because it's like a reserve deposit, but the reason option a broker who got another one, because binary cent, I did withdraw, and I've been reading some of the reviews, and a couple other traders told me that binary cent are really slow in paying out, and I have noticed that too. You know, they've been and some others are saying different things about it. I'm not going to say much about it, but anyways, I'm beginning not to get happy with them. Another thing I found out, they saying they are regulated, but I found out they are not. So that doesn't, I don't like that. So that's why I never had that much money in here. Like 1,000, 1,200, 1,500 was the most, and I withdrew it, and then this is another withdrawal, and we're going to see how long it's going to take for the money to get. But anyway, so this is another trade we took, and once again, I will update you later. Okay, John Kielec, I am back, and it's just about 2:20 p.m. and just gonna give overview what's happening with the markets. Okay, so we see we have two, three, four, five trades, and one is doing really bad, but the conditions. Oops, what's happening with the crypto trend finder? Okay, let's log in here. And let's see what it's, critical conditions still in effect all day. But anyway, see what we can do with the markets. This one, 2504, it's a profit. That's a micro lot where $1 is per pip. We got 24.77. If that was $10 per pip, that would be nice profit, $240. But look, the market is trending up. Okay, we're gonna come back later to this, and I'm gonna looks like the market's gonna go up. I'm gonna place the stop trading lots, and I think we're gonna leave this trade to go overnight until tomorrow. Over here, the next one, we have Japanese, the British pound against Japanese yen. This is a little bit behind. The market is turning towards go up. Our directions, what we predicted, conditions are oversold, so it's got to bounce back up, according to my view. Okay, this one, Euro GB, okay, 68 cents. These are the micro lots. $1 pips. Okay, so now it's going up. Same thing. These indicators, to me, it looks like this thing is going to be trending up. We're going to come back later in here, and we're going to see if there's a profit. We might exit. If not, we'll do the stop loss trading to protect our profits and keep going this way. Another trend in here, USD with Swiss franc, and we have, this is once again micro lot, $1 per pip. If that was $10, that would be nice profit, 27.67 dollars. Okay, this is a trend it's supposed to go up. This is another trend that we might be trading overnight with the stop loss trading. And this one, USD Japanese yen. Okay, this is the market over here. It broke out of the channel. Okay, all right. This was the channel in here. Okay. Well, the channel actually was broken over here. And the market is up and down. Now it's going up. Nicely, it's going up. But anyways, we're not into that market. We might look at it tomorrow for prices to come down in here or go short, because it is a downward trend. Okay, and this is the one that we are doing, the big, the standard, where it's $10 per pip. And this is the... and yeah, we profited yesterday. We got stopped out with a profit, up and down, up and down. We're gonna hold on to this trade. This is a $100,000 trade. Okay, so that's why I risked a bit more, but I'm risking about 50 pips, $500 to it or something like that. So we still got a little stop. But I believe what's going to happen, London daybreak in the morning, this market is going to come back up and at least go 50%. So we might get some profits. But we're going to hold on to this. So this is what's happening in here right now with these markets. Okay, I thought I'd just update. And today we had... a couple people in here. We had Danielle and another person was in there. So anyways, everything is all good. And once again, I'm going to stop the recording and going to come back in an hour or so. But the trades will go on in this room, so those who come in, they can see it. All right. Catch you later. Okay, now it's 3:15 almost in the afternoon. I am back to find out what's going on with our critical condition in trading. Yes, they are still there. Friday, Monday, and today. Okay, there's lots happening with Bitcoin. It's driving everything a little bit wild on the Forex crypto trading markets. But anyways, let's take a look what we got in here. What we can do, because I am going to trade, close, and keep some, and that's going to be it for today. Okay, so we have this one. We have a small profit, micro trade lot. It's a $10,000 trade lot. What I'm going to do, okay, let's move the stop loss to trail this, so we cannot lose. It's going to be a very small profit, but at least, okay, so we're going to put the stop loss, where happened to that stop loss? Okay, over there. So if the market comes down to here, boom. If it's going to continue to go up, we are going to be continuing profiting. What else we have? We have this one. It's in profit. Okay, and this is 27. Where did we enter in here? Let's enlarge this a bit. Okay, take off auto, and okay, we have stop loss over here. You know what? I'm gonna take this one. Okay, the channel. This is a channel thing, so I'm not sure where it's going up, but anyways, we're gonna move the stop loss this is where the price is, so we're gonna move it right below it. If it goes up, goes up. If it doesn't, we'll be stopped out and with a profit. Okay, now this one is not, okay, the channel went up there, it's going down. This is we're gonna wait for the retracement of this one. Stop loss is over here. This one, what's happening, Euro, GB, okay, stop loss, the market is stuck in the center, okay, we'll leave it the way it is. And this is the major one because we have 100K, 100,000 account in here, and the market is, well, you can see some green showing up, maybe that's the reversal. All right, okay, we're gonna come back later, and we'll see. I'll give, okay, 3:15. Well, we'll see what happens by 4 o'clock. I'll still keep these open. I'll be back at 4, and either we're gonna be still in the markets in here, or we're gonna be stopped out with a profit, and the other ones will carry on for tomorrow. So once again, I'll pause this recording and come back in about an hour. Okay, greetings to everyone again, and I am back, and this is final. This is like 4 o'clock. I'm just going to take a brief look at the markets. Okay, we have placed the stop losses. Okay, the stop loss, you can see, this is a stop loss, trailing stop loss, and because the prices keep going up. Okay, so we're going to follow that along with a few other ones. This is, again, in here, another one that we trailing the stop loss. This one's pretty close in here, but the markets are pretty well close because, you know, the London, the Asian, the European markets, it's they're not really trading. Well, they're open, but not much happening because not till 3 o'clock in the morning, the London break, where the markets become active again. And this is a major one. This is the 100,000K, and it's been sitting in here, and you can see it's barely moving. It's not going to move till about 3 o'clock in the morning. Well, it's still moving a bit, but I'm not sure it's going to go much. This one, it's same thing. Like I said, it's 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. It's going to be it. The markets will become very, very slow or no movement at all till London daybreak at 3 o'clock in the morning. That's going to be, European time, not our time. So what I am going to do in here, okay, what I'm going to do, basically, I'm going to leave these things open overnight for tomorrow, okay, because what I want to tell you is, it's what's happening out there. Look at the Bitcoin is down to 4,361. There are people who are saying now, some of the YouTubers, I wish I never got into Bitcoin. I wish I would have, because, they bought it at 15,000 and now it's worth, just a little over 4,000. But look at the markets. Look at the cryptocurrency. This is why, all of them are down, and big percentage, okay? Big percentage, huge. That's why the critical condition, my crypto trend writer is telling me do not trade. It's been tough because all of this volatility. I can't say that word. Vitality, whatever, but, wild. But anyways, because of this happening, and this also has affected our trading. But anyways, the only trade we got this one. These are the winning trades right now. This one is behind. The only trade that we are actually lost today, it was in binary, and like I say, I'm going to be exiting. I already pulled out $1,000 out of here. I brought the account back to $103. We were in $70, and I just did some trading in here, option trading up and down. But this is, that's where that loss came in. We got stopped out for $43.50. Okay, so basically this is it for today, and I am going to close the trading recording for today. We're going to continue first thing tomorrow morning, and like I say, these markets are open for today and will continue tomorrow. So I am basically done for today with this, and I'm actually doing lots of DailyNetPay commission payouts. Hundreds of dollars are being paid out because this is the only way you're going to lose. It's, okay, this is not updated. Okay, we got to take this thing out actually. All right, so because we have, we not going to summarize today because we are not done, but the, DailyNetPay private trade shares, this is what it's happening. This is where the commissions are coming out, and soon the private trade shares are going to start getting paid out. Minimum of $10 an account, and these trades, these private trade shares, earnings, 0.5% daily up to 150% return, they are coming from where? They're coming from those trades that are happening. Like I said, we have a special site where you can see all these past trades. So anyways, have a great afternoon, have a great evening, pleasant dreams. We'll see you in the morning. I hope you're enjoying these live trades, and if you do like them, please like.